How to fix YouTube error and error occurred, please try again later. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, if you are being shown that error, you have to make sure that you have updated your YouTube. For that, head over to your Play Store. At the search bar, simply type in YouTube. If you see update here, tap on update and update your app. In case you see open, that means your application is already updated, and let's move on to our next step. Head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, then tap on apps. And here at the search bar, again type in YouTube. Tap onto YouTube, then scroll below, then tap storage. Here clear the cache, and if you remember your credentials like your Google account password, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete your data. Come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Under defaults, you will see set as default. Tap onto it, untoggle this button. Now once you do all this, close the app and restart your device. Open your device and then open your TikTok application, and this shall definitely fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you also have to ensure that you are using a very stable Wi-Fi connection. And just like so, this is how you can fix your error. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.